the toughest process in the world. It involves 20 different steps, and it begins with the UN. You have to first be certified a refugee before you're even considered by the United States. A woman from the Church World Service who works extensively with Syrian refugees told me that many times the UN will screen people out and say, you won't pass the US filters, so don't even bother to apply. After you pass the UN's filters, and then you go through a rigorous 14-point step in the US, which involves the Department of Homeland Security, fingerprinting, interviews in person. It's a long process. Coming to the United States for Syrian refugees in those camps is an unattainable goal. I mean, I think a tiny handful apply if they have family in the United States. So I think that's something else that the debate is missing, is this idea that many of the refugees being resettled here have family connections here already.